got a new Hess Air, so this will keep me in the game when I'm out here when it's hot. It's an evaporative cooler. It's a pump here to run the water. This here runs the fan. This oscillates the fan blades. So I'm just going to turn it on low, just running the fan right now. One of the many new items that I got for my new setup. Here's the workstation. I don't have the belt on it right now, but it went pretty well. Here's the plexiglass partition. I decided rather than go with a dust catcher, I said I'm just going to do a basic shielding in front. Then when I'm done, I'll just sweep what I need out, because I never really got much luck with that dust catcher with the automated, not the automated, but the dust catcher with the vacuum motor in it. So got the Baader BM3 back online. Went ahead and put the diamond plate in. I got my, the heck was it that I used? Oh yeah, just drew a blank for some reason. I'm so sorry. The wallpaper, yeah, the wallpaper trough. It's a wallpaper trough. Okay, I got a wallpaper trough. Kydex press is still over here. I repainted it, painted it copper. I put a urethane with a mahogany stain on all the wood. Okay, so now go down here under the deck here, and I put in plexiglass sliders, like pieces of plexiglass with some extruded aluminum track work down here, so I can slide this open. Also down here I have more storage underneath that I enclose with plexiglass, and I just wanted to keep cats out of here. So I just wanted to keep animals from just coming in here and causing all kinds of havoc. So back there I got the toaster oven. I can pull that out when I need it. That is a arbor press with the Kydex rivet dies. It's been years since I did Kydex. I have the hardware here to hang this flex shaft grinder. I bought a flex shaft grinder on Amazon, and it's kind of interesting because when I look at the top there, it was under a different brand, but the top says KO Fordham. Here's a piece of stainless steel pipe. I'm thinking about doing a old school hollow handle survival knife, and I want to use this as the handle. So just one of these days I'll get to it. Also stain the inside of here. Here's the reamer bits that I got. Here's my apron. It folds up. Also got these here. These are like sleeves. I've been wearing these at my day job too. Just kind of keeps the gunk off of the forearms. So going on further down here, open this other slider up. I have my cubby holes that are installed back in here. Got those stained also. Went ahead and put all my belts and all that stuff. That's the Fordham piece down there for the footrest. So that's working out pretty good. Back up top up here, put my drawers back in. I broke down my liner lock that I made years ago. Took this apart. This isn't really what I envisioned, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. I might grind on it some more. I might work on it some more. But so far, this is what I got for a reblade in D2. Here's the old blade right here. So we'll see how that turns out. Have to give that some time. I got the Dykem die on it. That turned out pretty good. Work area over here on top of this. So I put flooring on this thing, and then over here I need to clean this off, but I did the same treatment, mahogany stain with some urethane on top. But all in all, it's going pretty good. Cleaned this up really good out here, and it's you know, not a bad setup. I'm actually very happy with it. And I got this thing done up here. I had to carve those centerpieces out. It now accommodates the 15-inch wheel, the large wheel, and so I'm able to do the big wheel, and I can do most of my attachments in here, and it'll catch the sparks. So I'm pretty happy with that, because I realized, yeah, I got these pretty slick sliders now, but now the sparks are going to get all over it, hot sparks. So I decided to make a catcher for it, and this was the extra piece of diamond plate aluminum that I had that I did for it. So anyway, I went ahead and got this all set up, and hopefully this week I'm hoping to get out and do some grinding out here finally and see how that pans out. So yeah, it's going good. Imagine that. I mean, if anybody's seen that old table from the past, I mean, it's just a total, turnaround, you know. I decided if I'm going to be focusing on a content channel, I need to make an appealing work area. So it's a lot better than it was. I mean, it's really come around ahead. So it's going to be fun working here. And in fact, I'm thinking about doing, well, actually, I'm not going to say what I'm going to think about doing. I'm not saying that. I'm going to be a lot more tight-lipped. I'm not going to let. I won't let anybody take the idea as well. I mean, of course, they could take the idea and run. It's a free country, but I'm not gonna run my mouth as my plans. I might actually do some stuff out here. It's gonna be pretty fun. So all right. So anyway, guys, don't worry about the haters. Just let the haters worry about you. And see you on the next one.